Eric Mwather with Mwather.com. Let's take a look at the weekly chart for LUV, and this is at the end of trading for October 25th, 2016. This is how the chart looked like. The stock was down about 1% at the close of yesterday. Again, yesterday was October 25th, 2016. And let's take a look at the chart, because you see that the stock was already telling us on the weekly chart that there was not a lot of love, and we can look at this from a couple of angles. Let's begin with the RSI top side resistance line. As you can see, a little bit down for the week. Before today's action, we're already seeing resistance. So there's one layer of resistance. Now keep in mind, the last time the stock touched this level here, we had a pullback of some significance, moving from about 47 to the lows here of about 36. That's a big drop. And we can also see that the stock had come back to test the previous break level. If you take a look at this break level here, now that break brought the stock off the highs here of late 2015. So we take that information and draw a straight line from there. So we get this red line. And of course, you can see that this was already confirmed as resistance again there for these highs. And over the last 2 weeks, we've come and hit that level and again confirmed resistance. Now we can test that red line by going backwards. So go back in time, and you see again there was another break here that brought the stock off the highs there. So of course the red line is legit, depending on whether you want to go backwards or forwards, and that's how you know that your line has merit. So again, we were seeing lots of resistance, and there's another way to look at this, and this is based on intraday highs. If you take the intraday high there and this intraday high or intra-week and draw a straight line, you can see at the highs of this week we tagged that level right there and we were rejected. So that's the action as of yesterday's close before earnings release. Lots of resistance levels on the weekly chart, and that's why I'm saying it's always important to take a look at the weekly chart. Sometimes they have a better, clearer vision of what's going on. So if we update this chart to reflect today's morning's reaction, and you can see the stock is down about 14% for the week, and all the levels we were discussing are now being confirmed. So let's draw them. We got top side already. Now that is confirmed. We see that the stock had come back to test the previous break. That break there. Again, as of this week now, that has been confirmed. And the other line was the top side of the RSI, going back to the highs on the RSI on the weekly chart, going back to 2014, and again confirmed there. Why is the stock down substantially? Because it is moving its weekly RSI here below 50. Whenever you move below 50, you tend to have a huge reaction lower. For example, take a look at the last couple drops here. We moved below 50 for this huge weekly drop, and again here we moved below 50 for this huge weekly drop. Eric Mwather with Mwather.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S.